Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Confront Bully Over Expired Tags. He Loses It.
On March 25th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with expired tags.
Sir, Officer Brown with North Florida Police. If you got your driver's license, proof of insurance on you, sir.
Cool, what did I do?
The reason I stopped you is because your license plates are suspended. Are you aware?
How? Dude, I just want the about this, man.
You got your driver's license on you? Thank you. All right, there's that for you. You're all up to date. Do me a favor, stay right here. I'll be right back with you.
Sounds smooth stop. All right, no problem. Get your ticket, go about your business.
Hey, roll down the window so I can give you your license back. Mr. Brooks, come on, man. Let's get this over with. You can get out of here. Driver's license back for you, man.
I don't want his license back.
I can wait all night. All right, Mr. Brooks, you're getting a citation for suspended registration. You have a mandatory court date that you're going to have to go to. That court date's going to be April 10th, 2024 at 1:30 p.m. There you go. Get back over there.
No, what? For what?
Get back over there.
You're going to pepper spray me because you're getting scared now?
No.
Yeah, no, you're going to pepper spray me because you want
Go back towards your
You were
car.
just a tough guy all second now, huh?
423.
You're all a tough guy now until someone gets to your
Get back in your car. Get out of here.
Huh?
Get out of here.
No.
Now.
No, what? Or what?
You better leave.
Or what?
Get out.
What's going to happen if I don't?
You can leave.
Okay? You can get out, too.
I already told you to leave.
Okay, and Brian, get the here.
Go.
Get out of here, boys.
I can't go until you're out of the
Okay,
road.
I'll be out if you knew. Like, why the wait? If I was at a gas station
You
to
can
do
leave.
it,
You
and you
better
got
leave.
came up there, but
You've been released.
why'd you back it up, huh?
Back
Get your hand
up.
off the dude.
No. You
Get
can
your hand
leave.
off the gun.
Leave.
I'm not even gonna
They
attack
need
you, but
to
you're acting
fuck him up,
Get
man.
Get out
act
of
all
here.
tough in here. Admit it. What the
You
got
can
in
leave. Released.
Cool.
Leave.
Cool. Then you get the
Out of here.
no, we're gonna see you. I want to see what
I ain't gonna lie. If that was me, I was the cop. If I was the cop, I would step back, of course, take a step back. But if he keep coming close, tell you, yo, back up. Back up. It's gonna get bad. You're not gonna like what's gonna happen next, man. Back up. Get back in your car, go about your business. But he keep trying to boast up. Oh, you're a tough guy. Man, fuck his ass up, man. Send him up through there. I ain't gonna lie to you. If you got to, you might have to send him up through there. You know what I'm saying? He might. I don't know. But this is very simple. I don't think the cop came off rude. I don't think the cop came off any type of way. Nothing. And I actually like the finishing touches that he did. He like, man, well, I read it because they're supposed to read it or whatever. And you just put the shit right on his windowsill. Call it a day, man. The cop didn't even have to do that. He could have really pushed the issue about, rolling down your window, this and that. He could have really pushed the issue. I don't know how many cops is going to do that. That's just going to be ignored and then continue on with what they're doing and then just put their stuff on the car and then keep it pushing. People are going through different things and stuff like that or whatever. So maybe his mind ain't in the right frame or whatever. But when the cop is retreating and going back to his business and you keep, coming towards him, you might have to send him up through there, man. He might have to visit Kobe, Nip, and Chad, man. Who knows? We gonna see, man. But at the very least, pepper spray, taser, get them together, man. Do something. This gotta go. It gotta go like that, man. It does.
We got more units coming.
Oh yeah, more units, huh? You want to be about it?
Get back in your car. You've been released.
Dude.
You've been released.
Hey, get the here.
This is an...
Then get the here.
I'm now telling you have to leave.
No, really now, huh?
You can leave.
Cool.
Get back in your car.
I don't know why the while I was in that gas station me down,
I already
asshole.
told you. Reason I stopped you is
cool.
your license
But you gotta
plate
came up to me on the station while I was getting gas.
now. You have your
ticket. Oh, and then you want to my fucking window? You gotta call this back up, huh? Where's all that you're doing? You fucking talk you've been doing, dude.
What talk? I told
you were talking like a big guy over there. Now you got your over here. What?
Get in your car
still
and
gonna
leave.
change the fact. I want to know, dude.
You want to know what?
Look at a little Boy Scout over here. This shit, dude.
You can leave now.
Well, we just gonna stand here?
Stand here all night?
Okay, we can. I mean, you're getting paid to do it anyway, asshole.
Okay. I'm now legally telling you you are released from the traffic stop. Get in your car
I'm legally just sitting here, dude.
Well, you can't be in the middle of the road.
I want to know why I'm not on the ground like a guy out here, man.
Okay. Well, I'm the officer in charge. You want to talk to me?
No, I don't, man. I want to know what this guy's problem is. I really want to know. I want to know what your problem is, Brant.
Reason I stopped you.
No, Brant. Why the come up to me when you're parked next to me in a gas station and I want to be a asshole about it? Okay?
Right now, you're obstructing him from getting in his squad car.
He wasn't obstructing. Actually, he could have been like a squad car, man. What are you talking about?
Okay.
All right. Turn around. You're under arrest for obstructing.
He was just asking to go to jail. I ain't never heard. What the hell?
Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
You're catching up. That's what you're doing. Relax.
Relax.
Gotta lock yourself so that way they don't close on you. I'm trying to help you. You're gonna get taken to the ground. Stop.
Oh yeah, I hear that taser. Hold on. They charging that thing up.
Get off of me. Dude, I didn't anything, man.
I didn't do anything. Yeah. You want to come to the car? All right, we're gonna bring you to the car then.
All right. Do you have anything on your person?
Dude, I didn't do anything. Get off of me. What the I just do hear me.
Yeah, some guys just gotta get fucked up, man.
You're gonna go to the ground and you don't calm down.
I didn't even do anything. Dude, don't take my ID. Come on.
Buddy, you're under arrest. Your belongings are coming with us.
Dude, I didn't even do anything. Why does it take? Why is there somebody fucking come? Ah!
Yeah, because you're...
I'm not resisting.
All right. Calm down now. You're getting an additional charge for resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You are right now.
Yeah, I got a full face in my car.
No, let me go. I
Yeah,
didn't
my
do
boy
anything.
doing a pat down with no gloves on.
Just breathe.
Get off.
Just breathe. Just focus on your
Get
breathing.
off. I didn't do anything. Let me go.
Just breathe.
Go get it. All right. Hey, listen.
Let me go.
You're gonna get in this car right
I
here.
didn't do anything.
Okay. Calm down. Take a deep breath and listen. You're gonna take a seat in this car right here. You understand?
Let me go.
All right. Let's go. Okay. You're getting resisting.
I'm not
resisting.
I'm not gonna go.
Sit up.
They broke his back.
What's your arm, man?
Yeah, he's breathing, conscious, awake. Okay, calm down, take a deep breath and listen. You're gonna take a seat in this car right here, you understand?
Let me go.
All right, let's go. Okay, you're getting resistant.
Look at this tough guy.
I'm not gonna go.
Get his ass together. Yep. Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Unbelievable.
Yeah, he's breathing, conscious, awake.
He good, but his pride is hurt, man.
Mr. Brooks.
He's hard to put his helmet divider in there.
Sit sit him up all the way. So
fake
that way
ass shit.
Prop yourself up. Come on.
your way.
Your hands, okay. Keep them behind you, otherwise you're gonna hurt yourself. Keep your hands behind you, you're gonna hurt yourself. You're not gonna be able to put your hands in front of you. Keep them behind you.
What's wrong with my hands, dude?
Your hands are okay now.
Yeah, I knew he was fine. He was faking ass.
Relax.
Come on, tough guy.
Stop.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Mr. Brooks, you are under arrest. You need to calm down.
Take his feet. Grab his ankle.
Stop. Stop.
There you go.
Take a deep breath, Mr. Brooks.
Get off of me!
Mr. Brooks, take time to breathe.
Get go! Get off me! Hurting yourself.
Take a deep breath, Mr. Brooks.
Get off of me, man! Hurting yourself.
Focus on your breathing.
Hey, Jalen. Hey, you want to call your mom? Jalen?
Call your mom.
Jalen, you want to call your mom? Jalen, you want to call your mom? You said you want to call your mom, right?
Jalen, stop moving.
Get your mom on the phone right now. Hey, if you take a deep breath, give us your mom's phone number. We'll give her a call. You can call her right now. Jalen, you said you want to call your mom. What's mom's name?
Help you up?
Don't do nothing for this guy. This guy tried to boast up to one of the officers. Oh, you want to call your mom? You behave. I'll get you to call your mom. We'll call her right now. Give us the number. Like, what the? No, you get nothing. You get nothing. You play stupid games. You win stupid prizes. You just literally turned this is, you know how you see the titles? Simple traffic stop turns into blah, blah, blah. This is literally a simple traffic stop. Get your ticket, go about your day. The cop, he didn't do nothing crazy, like nothing. Like, this is a normal routine traffic stop. And he took it to a whole nother level just asking to go to jail, man. He don't get nothing.
Grab each arm, we're going to lift up. Right, ready? Ready? Bring your legs up under you. Bring your legs up under you. We're going to stand you up, okay? Okay, ready? On three.
Don't cater to this guy.
There you go. The officer. Right, here we go. Oh, then grab yourself and drop your on the guard.
Let's walk this way. All right. We're just gonna walk to the ambulance right now, okay?
Don't do anything. We're just going to make sure you're okay. Make sure you're okay, all right?
Bullshit, man. Follow me.
Okay, what's your mom's name?
Jalen, can you walk this way with me? Just walk straight ahead. We're going right to the ambulance.
This way to the ambulance, okay?
The man was charged with obstructing and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Unbelievable. Simple traffic stop, man. Simple traffic stop turns into ... man. This is a prime example of that. Get your ticket, your court date, argue in court. You mad that he got your ticket wet? Either he threw it on the floor or not the floor, but he threw it on the ground, you know, or he put it on the windowsill, whatever the case may be. Well, you ain't opening the door or you ain't rolling down the window so I can hand it to you like a man. Well, am I just supposed to sit here in the rain while you have a hissy fit? No. Oh, well, your ticket get wet. That's on you. I don't care. I tried to give it to you. You don't want to take it? Don't take it then. I don't give a crap. Did my job. You know? Oh, man. Unbelievable. You can't make this stuff up. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.